everyone! Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Mama Mary's Gourmets and Plans. Thank you for visiting me again. Today, I'll give you a glimpse of Middle Eastern dish. I wanted to share to you guys how to make one of the most familiar appetizer in the Middle East, which is the hummus. Hummus is a smooth, delicious, and creamy dip, which is best served here in Middle East with any hot flatbread or pita bread, which is also called the Arabic bread. But of course, it's also very delicious dip for any grilled meat. And actually, hummus, all of you guys can make hummus wherever you are or whichever part of the world you are, because the ingredients is so simple and you can find the ingredients in any grocery store. So, are you ready, guys? Are you ready to learn a Middle Eastern appetizer? So, let's make hummus. Let's start. Okay, so like what I have mentioned a while ago, we only have a very simple ingredients for our hummus. These are cooked chickpeas and it's drained. Tahina. Well, you can buy tahina in any groceries, but if you couldn't buy tahina in the grocery, I will teach you later on how to make a tahina. It's very simple anyway. Okay, we need lemon juice. We need salt to taste, smashed garlic, we need olive oil, and we need cold water. So, isn't it? These are very simple ingredients for our hummus. Okay, we also need food processor or blender to mix all these ingredients. So, are you ready, guys? Let's make our delicious hummus. To start, we'll now mix the smashed garlic and then pour on our salt to taste, the lemon juice, olive oil, and the tahina. Okay, the tahina will make our hummus more creamy and tasty. Okay, so we will blend all these ingredients until the garlic is well blended and until all the ingredients becomes creamy. So continue blending. Now our first mixture is smooth and creamy. We can now gradually add our chickpeas. Okay, we must see to it that we will not overcrowd the mixture, so the chickpeas will be blended well, and blend it until it becomes smooth. Now it looks smooth now, so we can add now the remaining chickpeas, and also we will add the cold water to make it more smooth and creamy. So continue blending the mixture until it becomes smooth and creamy. Let us now check the consistency of our mixture, if it is already smooth and creamy. Now I can see that we have achieved the smoothness and creaminess that we are looking for. But if you think your mixture is too thick, you can add cold water or tahina. Okay, but now it's perfect. Our mixture is perfect. Now we have made our hummus. Well, I've garnished it with parsley and chickpeas, and I have drizzled it with olive oil. And what you can see in front of you are typical Middle Eastern appetizers. Okay, so this is a pita bread, which is also called Arabic bread, and this is a platter of olives, cucumber, labneh, and feta cheese. So you always see this in a Middle Eastern table. You will not miss all these appetizers in a Middle Eastern table. So now, it's time to taste our hummus. Join me. Okay, so pita bread, slice of pita bread, and then dip it in hummus. Join me. It's so creamy. The taste is so perfect. It's delicious. So this is how to eat the hummus. Dip the pita bread in the hummus. Okay. Also, you can dip the cucumber, the vegetables in the hummus. So nice. It's really so nice. I love this. So try it yourselves. Try this very famous Middle Eastern appetizer, hummus. Okay? If you have any questions, just drop a comment in this in my YouTube channel. Okay? And please don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, Mama Mary's Gourmets and Plants. And I hope to see you again in my next video. This is Mama Mary saying, be safe everyone.